Let's take a look at this multiple choice question that was sent to me. The equilibrium reaction represented by the equation below occurs at 25 degrees Celsius. So you have 2NO2 gas that's changing to N₂O₄ gas as well. So which one of the following graphs best represents the relationship between the concentration of NO2 gas and N₂O₄ gas in this reaction? Now the question itself is not as difficult as it seems. So what we got to do here is, because we know the temperature and the temperature isn't changing, we can say that the Kc is not going to change. So the first thing we should do is write out a Kc expression. So Kc is equal to the concentration of the products, which in this case is N₂O₄, divided by the concentration of the reactants, which is NO2, but to the power of 2. That's because the coefficient becomes a power. Now all we need to do is just rearrange this equation. On my y-axis, I have N₂O₄, so I want to write it in the form y is equal to something. So I'm going to take this whole bottom half and just move it across there. So I'm going to get the concentration of N₂O₄ is going to equal Kc, and remember it's at a constant temperature, so Kc is going to be the same, or it's going to be constant, and then multiplied by the concentration of NO2 to the power of 2. Now this here gives us an indication of the type of graph that it's going to be. So the type of graph here you can imagine as y is equal to ax squared, where this format is a parabolic function or a quadratic function. So what we want to look for is a quadratic function. Well, we can see the right half of the function, and so the answer is going to be C. Thanks so much for watching.